Alright, well that went actually better than I thought. And the truck still has brakes. Miracle. Now we're actually going to drag it around front. Trees and all. All right. Whatever.
Yeah, I know. Now we're at this point. Now it's like. Oh, it's much better than it's out here.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
A lot of coolant came out.
You're just gonna have to crank it over for no plugs in it.
Yeah. Crank it over by hand first.
Is that Edelbrock worn through or is it shit on it? Electric choke, fuel line that really just is so sick.
Oh, it's just here with like going down.
Yeah, that's what I was getting.
Oh, but it's just a rubber hose with the can line on it.
Wow, is that scary box really right there? That's terrible.
Yeah.
Dude, this bitch has the wrong fucking. Back to the day, that's a lot of time.
Let's have the shot back, kind of back all this shit out from the top.
You wanna like push it forward?
Yeah, that's probably good.
I don't think. Oh, yeah. Amazing.
Oh yeah. Wheel hanging.
First things first, Rich.
First things first.
We're gonna change the oil.
Well,
Get the motor to crank.
get the motor cranked, then we see if it's worth changing the oil.
Probably not.
Seems that's looking like.
It's rusty, but it's not bad.
Make sure there's no holes in it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right. So we got the truck out. It rolls pretty well. It even has brakes.
So they just cut the H pipe out of this thing.
Oh, that's good.
Got like a super nice exhaust on it. They just cut the H pipe right out.
That's great. I'm going to take the back and get rid of all of that. And that and, well, everything. Let's get to it.
Got disc brakes in the front.
Yeah, they came with discs. This was a on it. It was a pretty well-optioned truck for its day.
Huh. Ooh.
What?
You might want to look at this.
What am I thinking? Look at
The body.
gone?
Yeah, the body's done.
Like done?
Like, here, why don't you climb underneath and look at this brake? Nice. Ooh. It's not unfixable, but I'm looking at carpet.
Yeah. More fans. Bullshit.
I mean, that's to be expected.
Yeah.
Any vehicle is fucking old. that's been sitting for probably 15 years now. Ain't bad though. I mean, honestly, it's not bad. It's a good looking truck. Dude, are you kidding me? This is what the spark plugs look like?
Yeah. The ones don't actually look that bad. They're just rusty.
No, I know, but that's so bad.
Yeah, I know.
There's a lot of water in this bitch. Brakes still work. That's crazy.
Probably just rear, but it's not a fucking pressure rate to put out. And did the same thing over here. Well, time to keep cleaning. Alright, so we did a little combination here. We did some PB Blaster and some carb clean and some WD-40 down each cylinder because it's locked up. We got a big old Group 31 battery on here, and we're going to try to give it a little crank, see what happens.
Let us see. Ready?
Yep. Oh, it's cool.
It's moving though.
It's
Oh,
moving.
I just got hit.
That is spraying.
It's moving.
It is moving.
It is
There's
moving.
a lot of fluid coming out of that thing.
It's definitely moving though.
Oh yeah, it is moving.
So we can't say it sees. It's definitely locked up. But
It's locked up, but it's moving.
I think we'll spray a little more fucking PV down there, see what happens.
Yeah. Oh, you
Get that long distance.
long distance in the hole.
Going for distance, you know. Dude, number 2.
The other ones are the opposite way though.
Lovely. I do remember that, but it's gonna be interesting with a half a can spraying sideways.
Yeah, it works. Oh,
It's starting not to.
the amount of coolant that's coming out of that cylinder is ridiculous.
Yeah, but you know what, dude? It's freaking turning. And you can't beat that.
No,
Some light on the situation here. Look at that, right in there.
right in the hole. Beautiful.
Next. It's like such a calm, steady stream.
What kind of electronics to turn on this thing?
I ain't getting any more in the cylinder 1.
Oh, we got lights.
I am not getting any more in cylinder 1. It's once you get one full rotation, you're good.
Hey.
Holy shit, everything works. Warming up. Ground is getting hot.
Yeah, I probably got a bad ground.
Yeah, I think you got a bad connection, but it's fine for now. We'll figure that out later.
Yeah, we even got a dome light in this thing.
Dude, everything works.
Oh, try that horn button. That is not the right sound for this truck.
Wanna try some more?
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, yeah. Oop. We just lose connection. Here, let me give that terminal a little tappity tap. Oh, hey! Oh, stop. We got arcing. Because the wires aren't. connected to anything.
Oh, Rich, you're on fire. You got to take that terminal out.
Oh. Wait, you saw smoke?
Look at your starter solenoid.
Oh, yeah.
What's
well, it doesn't help.
What's arcing?
The wires.
Dude, it fucking cranks.
It does.
I didn't think that was gonna happen. I saw that big jump and I was like, that was it.
Yeah. Nice. Holy shit.
Fuck yeah, we just unseized the motor.
We did unseize the motor.
That took a long time.
That took a long time. Oh, okay. Holy shit. Well, she's unseized. Next step is figure out why there's coolant in the cylinder.
I'm thinking it's intake manifold. I mean, I really don't think the head gasket rotted out. It shouldn't.
I mean, it's torqued down. I believe in the intake manifold. I mean, look at that thing. That thing's
There's so
probably
much
been
coolant. There's so
so
much
long.
coolant that passes through it. You look at thermostat. It's right there. So.
Oh, I also ripped out the carpet on the inside. We do have a little bit of nature's weight reduction there, but at least now I can be in here without, you know.
Hey, you know what opens, Rich? Check this out.
What do you got? The tailgate still open.
Without an issue. And like honestly,
That closes.
closes. A little loose on the bottom.
Oh yeah, it's just a little loose. Yeah, nature's done a little speed for us, you know, a little weight reduction, but
It really isn't as bad as he thought it was going to be.
no. I mean, it rolls good. It still has brakes, and now the motor turns, so we're getting there. Huh? Not
Oh,
bad.
yeah. That means you can use that motor.
Yeah. The rear end is a different question, though, 'cause